Hello, my friends. Hello, teacher. My name is Andre Santiago. Today, I am going to present you the father of my brothers, my mother, and I. Let's start with my brother. He is fat, with an medium height of 174, has stature, has brown eyes, his nose is round. He is 27 years old, weight 90 kilos. Um, let's go one on right my mom. She is 51 years old. She's little 165. My mom eyes are green. His nose is round, like my brother's, and he weighs 70 kilos. Finally, my person. I have a tall stature of 185 stature, and I am 18 years old. I weigh 71 kilos. My eyes are brown and my nose is ugly. I cannot explain it. And my hair is light brown. Thank you very much. Bye bye.